Good morning, students. So let's continue with our topic, that is past adjustments. So let's take illustration 45. X, Y, Z are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. After the final accounts have been prepared, it was discovered that interest on drawings had not been taken into consideration. The interest on drawings of partners amounted to 2,550, 1,850, 1,000. Give the necessary. So in this problem, they have directly given us the interest on drawings, that is 2,500, 1,850 and 1,000. So first thing, we need to calculate the total interest of drawings. So write down calculation of interest on drawings. So we have three partners X, Y, Z. We need not calculate as it is already given in the problem. That is 2,550, 1,850 and 1,000. So the total interest on drawings will be 5,400. So this 5,400 will be divided in the profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2:1. So in the next line, write down this amount of 5,400 is an item of income for the firm, but this has not been recorded on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account of the previous year. As such, the profit of the previous year will now be increased by this amount. Hence, this profit of 5,400 will be shared by the partners in the profit sharing ratio of 3:2:1. So in case of interest on capital, what happened to our profit? Our profit was reduced. Why was it reduced? Because interest on capital is an expense to the partnership firm. But in case of interest on drawings, the profit had to be increased last year, as interest on drawings is an income to the firm. But because it was not written last year, we would be doing the necessary adjustments in this year. So what is the journal entry for interest on drawings? It is interest on drawings debited to profit and loss appropriation account. Right? So first we will show a table which will show us the adjustments, and then we will rectify the journal entry. So we have table showing adjustment. We have particulars. We have three partners, that is X, Y, Z and total. So first we will have interest on drawings. It will be on the debit side. So 2,550, 1,850, 1,000. Total is 4,500. Now we will have the division of this 5,400 in the ratio 3:2:1. This will be credit. So 5,400 into 3/6. How much is it? 2,700. Then we have 5,400 into 2/6. 1,800. And last we have 5,400 into 1/6, that is 900. So the total will be 5,400. Last we will have is difference. What's the difference? 2,550 minus 2,700. It is 150. So it is your credit balance. Then here we have 50, which will be our debit balance. and here we have 100, which will again be our debit balance. Next we will be showing the journal entry. We have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So the journal entry will be what is debited. B's capital is debited. So what will be debited? The capital of Y and Z. So Y's capital account debited. Z's capital account debited to X capital account. So we'll have 50, 100 and 150. Narration will be adjustment in respect on drawings omitted in previous year. I have written the journal entry without a format, but you are supposed to prepare the format and then write your journal entry. So clear with the problem? Next, let's go on to illustration 46. XYZ are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio 3:2:1. After the final accounts have been prepared, it is discovered that interest on drawings at 5% per annum has not been taken into consideration. The drawings of the partners were 1,50,000, 1,26,000, 1,20,000. Give the necessary adjusting journal entry. Again, in this sum, they have not written the interest on drawing previously. So first we will calculate the interest on drawings. So write down calculation of interest on drawings. We have X, Y, Z. What is the drawings of X? 1,50,000. And what is the percentage? 5%. Into 5 by 100. And for how many months? They have not given us the number of months. So whenever in case of interest on drawings, they have not given us the date when the drawings are made, we assume that it is 6 months. So 6 by 12. So we get 3,750. Then we have Y, 1,26,000 into 5 by 100 into 6 by 12. We get 3,150. And last we have Z, 1,20,000 into 5 by 100 into 6 by 12. We get 3,000. So the total of drawings will be 9,900. This 9,900 will be divided among the partners in the ratio 3:2:1. So we have table showing adjustment. We have particulars X, Y, Z and total. So first we have interest on drawings. So it will be debit. X it is 3,750. Y it is 3,150. Z it is 3,000. So our total will be 9,900. Then next we have division of 9,900 in 3:2:1. This will be credit. 9,900 into 3 by 6 we get 4,950. Then we get 9,900 into 2 by 6 we get 3,300. 9,900 into 1 by 6 we get 1,650. Last we have is difference. So 3,750 minus 4,950 we get 1,200 credit balance. Then 3,150 minus 3,300 we get 150 credit balance. And 3,000 minus 1,650 we get 1,350 debit balance. So next we will be writing rectifying journal entry. So we have date, particulars, LF, debit and credit. So in this case, what will be debited? Z's capital account. So Z's capital account debited to X capital account to Y's capital account. So Z's capital is 1350, X is 1200 and Y is 150. So write down the narration. Adjustment of omission of interest on drawings. So clear? These two were similar kind of problem. The only difference was in the previous problem they had directly given us the interest on drawings amount, but in this case we had to calculate. Whenever they have not given us the date on which the drawings have been made, we consider it as 6 months. So we shall be continuing the remaining problems in the next class. Thank you.